أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي ربنا زدنا علما ربنا زدنا علما ربنا زدنا علما اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما اللهم لا سهل إلا ما جعلته سهلا وأنت تجعل الحزن إذا شئت سهلا آمين ثم آمين. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. My dear brothers and sisters here. How are you all? Assalamu alaikum. Come on, make use of the chat box to reply to my questions. Inshallah ta'ala, we are going to keep it an interactive session. Let's all keep it engaging. Bismillah. Okay. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah, I'm good. I'm good as well, yes, sisters and brothers. I hope and pray that you all are doing well and good, inshallah ta'ala. Bismillah ta'ala. Good afternoon, everyone. Alhamdulillah. Barakallahu fiki, barakallahu fiki. First of all, I would like to thank you all to opt this wonderful program, for enrolling onto this wonderful programs. I welcome you all, dear sisters and brothers, here onto this new journey of learning to design like a pro by gaining a mastery in the Canva software, a software that is very easy to use, a software in which you're going to learn graphic designing, in which you're going to learn photo editing, in which you're going to learn video editing as well, inshallah ta'ala. So are you all excited to be a part of this wonderful journey, inshallah ta'ala? Come on, type in yes. Inshallah, alhamdulillah, barakallahu fiki. When I say it's wonderful, take it from me, it will be actually wonderful program, inshallah ta'ala, dear sisters and brothers here, okay? You might be having so many doubts before entering into this program, but take it from me, day by day, inshallah, every doubts will be cleared out, okay? Do not worry, I will be your host throughout this session, throughout this next 13 days, inshallah ta'ala. You will be able to catch up, inshallah, slowly. Even if you are a beginner, inshallah ta'ala, you will be able to go through designing like a pro, inshallah ta'ala. So come on, dear sisters and brothers, we are going to begin this journey of learning to design like a pro with the name of Allah. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. We are going to begin this milestone today, inshallah ta'ala. So in this program, you will learn to design like a pro with the software which is very easy to use, which is very powerful design tool. With this software, you inshallah you all can learn to design like a pro, and you all can create the stunning designs, stunning visuals, eye-catching content, inshallah ta'ala. So no, you even if you are a beginner, you can start creating with this software, inshallah ta'ala. So almost 50% of this class is filled up with my students from the previous batches of video editing, mashallah, alhamdulillah. So we have 50% of the students from the video editing courses from the previous batches, alhamdulillah. So whoever is new here, so let me tell you who am I. I am Mishal, dear sisters and brothers. I'm Mishal here. So I welcome you all to this mastering basic to exploring the advanced technique course, which is called as Canva Mastery Course, our Design Like a Pro course. So before stepping ahead, let me introduce myself to you all first before I begin with. So you might all be looking forward to know me, right? So who is going to host you all for next 13 days, inshallah ta'ala. So let me introduce myself to you all first. Who am I? I am a YouTuber. I am a professional photo editor, video editor, graphic designer. I'm also a coach. I'm a tutor, online tutor. I'm a software engineer by profession, and I also host up various programs of graphic designing, photo editing, and video editing. Okay. So this is just a brief introduction. I actually am a professional photo editor for various YouTube channels, various content creators, or various social media platforms. Hope you all know, reminder after reminder, I am a video editor for this reminder after reminder YouTube channel, and also the WhatsApp. It has around 100 groups in WhatsApp, and alhamdulillah, I am administrator, team of reminder after reminder. So I am a professional video editor for various channels, and also I take up the volunteer work. I also offer the services for various platforms. Okay, I offer the services for Nurul Quran, Nurun Ala Noor, Your Sister in Islam, and some channels like EDU-SITE. EDU-SITE is our own channel. Al Quran Ayati, Nurun Ala Noor, the creation of my creator. I offer the services for various video editing services for various channels. And also, dear sisters and brothers, I take up the graphic designing. I create professionally edited flyers for various organizations, and also like Jamit Ulama, like the various what we say outlets. I create banners for various outlets in my locality, for some of the supermarkets, for the events, fashion sale flyers, Ramadan sale flyers, and more. I create banners and more. But take it from me, I create everything with the Canva. Okay, so inshallah you all will be able to edit through this software named as Canva, inshallah ta'ala. So the thing that is here, dear sisters and brothers, the slides that are here, the slides that are being put out to you to share with you, is also created with Canva. Isn't it interesting to hear that? Inshallah, you all will be able to create such a stunning design with the Canva software after you are with this 13-day Canva Mastery Course, inshallah ta'ala. So and also I'm an online tutor. I already told you I take up the tuitions for USA students, Australian, as well as I have different batches in morning, evening, and night for USA, Australian, Saudi Arabian students. I also take up the mathematics and English tutoring, and I am a software engineer by profession. I take up the projects, I deliver it to the clients, and more. So this was a brief intro about myself. For now, I'm here with you all as a host for a graphic designing course, alhamdulillah. So we have completed at least 5 to 6 batches of this course, and alhamdulillah, all of the previous batches have been proven great, mashallah. Alhamdulillah, we have got so many positive response from the students, and alhamdulillah, we have almost 50% of the class filled with the students of previous video editing courses with the Kind Master. Okay, alhamdulillah, we had various animation courses, video editing mastery courses, design like a pro courses is a 6th course that we have launched. We are into the 2nd edition of this course. We have launched it before Ramadan, and this is after Ramadan. This is a course after Ramadan, and alhamdulillah, the course that we had launched at first, the design like a pro, has proven the best for all our students. Alhamdulillah, they have been making the beautiful contents. They have been creating the beautiful content after this design like a pro course. Alhamdulillah, dear sisters and brothers, inshallah, you all will be able to achieve this level of mastery after this 13 days of course. And take it from me, you all will be able to do it, inshallah ta'ala. And one more thing, you all have to practice along, inshallah. So let me just get back to our session, inshallah. So heading on to the first day of this course, dear sisters and brothers, we will start off now by knowing what is the skill or what is the knowledge that we are going to learn today, inshallah, that we are going to start with. Okay, so can you all tell me what is graphic designing, dear sisters and brothers? What is graphic designing? Probably you all know that I have mentioned it in the flyer that we are going to learn graphic designing or photo editing or video editing. This Canva offers you all. It is what we say, it is all-in-one package. Dear sisters and brothers, Canva is an all-in-one package. You all will be able to create wonderful stuff, inshallah, with this Canva software. Can you all tell me what is graphic designing? Come on. Let me see the chat box here. Yes, putting in information in an attractive manner. Excellent. That is also a definition of graphic designing. You know what is a graphic designing? You're going to create everything from the scratch. Okay. A graphic designing is nothing but you're going to create everything from the scratch. You're going to create the visual content. You're going to start with you're going to start with addition of the backgrounds. You're going to start by adding the images into it, by adding the elements into it, by adding the colors. You're using the color theory over there. You're going to use the color wheel over there. You're adding the text on it using the typography, or you're going to create the text. You're going to put up the text in a very appealing way. You are going to give it a good readability. You're going to add a perfect layout to your designs, and yes, you're going to communicate your design very effectively by adding a by creating your own content. Yes, you're going to design a theme with your own creativity. Yes, excellent. So this is called as graphic design. Have you all heard about photo editing and video editing? What is the difference between graphic designing, photo editing, and video editing? Can you tell me, can you all let me know what is the difference between graphic designing and editing? Graphic designing is nothing but you have to create from the scratch, right? You are going to create it all. What is photo editing? You're just going to manipulate it, right? Yes, sisters and brothers. You're going to just manipulate the contents. If you're given a photo, if I'm given a photo and I'm asked to edit the photo, what should I do with that? I should manipulate it. I should enhance its quality. I have to modify it. Yes, excellent. I have to adjust its colors. I have to remove the elements, add the elements, or I can apply the filters. I can apply the effects. Yes, editing is nothing but you're correcting the images. Excellent. Yes, sisters and brothers. MashaAllah, alhamdulillah. You're such an interactive audience. Barakallahu fiki. Come on, keep it interactive session, inshallah. So now, can you all tell me what is video editing? We have three main concepts mentioned in the flyer that you're all going to learn, inshallah, with this. What is the video editing? What is the video editing? Yes. Yes, alhamdulillah. Yes, Sister Shamshad. This is the student from video editing course. Video editing, the course was proven the best. Alhamdulillah, you all have been designing excellent content with this with the video editing course. Alhamdulillah. So, what is video editing? You're going to manipulate the videos. You're going to rearrange the videos, already short videos, the videos that already have been captured, that is being placed, and then we are going to trim it up. You're going to add the transitions to it. You're going to add the effects to it. You're going to add the audios to it, and also the filters to it. Yes, alhamdulillah, barakallahu fiki. So all of it will be dealt in the sessions. Can I give you a simple example for graphic designing? So these are the three different concepts that I have told you. One is a graphic designing, second is the photo editing, next is the video editing. One simple example for graphic designing with our own flyer. Just see here, the flyer that I have designed for you all, the course flyer that I had sent to you all. First thing what I did was I just took a background. Okay, this is just a background. Okay, then what did I do? I added the two what we say borders to it. Okay, these two are the borders to it. Just a moment, I'll just start with annotation. Okay, so these are the two borders that I took up, and I took up a background. Okay, so I'm just telling you an example for graphic designing. Okay, how is graphic designing dealt with? Okay, so this is so I wanted to keep the theme as golden, gray, and black, gray and white. Okay, I just wanted to keep the theme as golden, gray, and white for my course flyer. Okay, this is up to you, inshallah. This is just an example I'm giving you all to what is graphic designing, to let you know what is graphic designing. See, first thing I did this one. Okay, next what did I do? Next I added the text. All the text I have added. Okay, these are the textual content. Fine. This is just the textual content, and this is the elements that we see, and this is a typography. Okay, you're going to enhance the text. You're going to write the text in an appealing way. Okay, so that the viewer will be attracted with it. Fine. So next, what did I do? I added some elements to it. I added some images to it. I added some borders to it. I added some labels to it, and more. And this is the finished product that we got. Isn't it looking beautiful? It is just a work of 30 minutes or more. It just takes, if you are a professional into it, you will be just doing it within 4 to 5 minutes, dear sisters and brothers. Doesn't it look appealing to you? One important thing in the graphic designing is that you have to create a visual content which should be appealing to the viewers. Okay, you have to be very focused upon the viewers area of recognizing things. Okay, alhamdulillah. So this is just an example for creating the content which is graphically designed. Alhamdulillah. So this is called as a graphic designing. And what is the example of video editing and photo editing? Hope you all know it, or know it, right? So photo and video editing is nothing but you're just going to manipulate the content, right? And even the video editing is nothing but you're going to manipulate and rearrange the videos which were already shot. You're going to trim it up, you're going to add it up, and so and so. Okay, so this is another example for graphic designing. It is nothing but what did I do here is I took a background. It is a satin background. I just took it, and then I added the beautiful typographic content here, and then this is the images that to be added, and this is a mock-up. And what I did was, in this frame, what I did was I added the previous flyer inside this, and these are the text here that I have added, and this is the content that is being added up with this. Okay, this is just an example. Do not worry, you all will be able to create more beautiful stuff than this, inshallah ta'ala. Do not worry. Okay, as students have created more beautiful stuff than this, alhamdulillah. Probably you all have seen it in the previous in the drive link that I have shared with you all. Probably you all have gone through it. Okay, if you have time, you can just go through it. Those are the flyers that were created by our students from our previous batches, alhamdulillah. Those are excellent ones. Okay, you can just view it, and inshallah you will be able to create more stunning visuals than this one. Okay, do not worry. So it's just the very first class. I'm just telling you what you're going to learn, and inshallah what is in stake. Inshallah you will be able to create it after 13 days, inshallah ta'ala. It's a gradual process. You won't get it by once. Okay, you will gradually learn this. Fine, you need to have lots and lots of patience, dear sisters and brothers. Here, if you have any doubts in a topic that is farther away from us, you just have to hold back, and you have to be like, you need to learn step by step, inshallah ta'ala. So take it from me, you're learning from a professional graphic designer. Do not worry, I will help you throughout this journey, inshallah. So this is just a fly with the what is photo editing. This we have dealt, alhamdulillah. We also have dealt what is video editing, right, dear sisters and brothers? Probably you all have understood what is the difference between the graphic designing, photo editing, and video editing, right? So come on, type yes. Let's keep it an interactive and engaging session, inshallah. Alhamdulillah. Barakallahu fiki. So probably you all would have felt that previously that all the graphic designing, the video editing, and photo editing is all same. No, it is all actually different, right? Graphic designing is creating from the scratch. Photo editing is you're just manipulating the photo content. Video editing is doing the manipulating the videos, the lectures you have of 30 minutes, 1 hour. You're just going to trim it up, manipulate it up, and you're going to add the transitions. You're going to add the effects. You're going to add the filters. You're going to add the audios to it and more. So that is called as the video editing. So alhamdulillah, we just noted the difference between graphic designing, photo editing, and video editing. Now let me know what is the scope of this graphic designing. Where and all do we use this graphic designing, dear sisters and brothers? Can you all tell me? The screen that you're seeing now, it's a graphically designed, right, dear sisters and brothers? The laptop screens that you have, the windows, the applications, the logos of the applications, the logos of WhatsApp, everything is graphically designed, right? Everything is graphically designed. Can you all let me know what is where is it used? What is the scope of this? Come on, type in. Yes, social media handles for promotion brands, for the courses, all the flyers that you create, the posters that you create. Go through the roads and locality. You see the banners around the shops, banners around the supermarkets, banners around the outlet, the flyers. All of it are graphically designed. Everywhere you go, just look into your TV screen, television screen, you'll find it everything graphically designed. This area has a greater scope, dear sisters and brothers. Really, yes, it is. It has a greater scope. Yes, advertising any business, you will have this graphic design, graphically designed flyers, right? Yes, and every video that you watch on the reels, on the feeds, on the Instagram feed, on the Facebook feed, or anywhere, it's all graphically designed. Yes, alhamdulillah. So this is actually the scope of graphic designing, and inshallah we are going to learn this skill which is high in demand in the industry, right? And one more thing, who can learn this course? Because I have been getting the doubts. I'm a beginner, I just do not know much about the editing or something like that. Who can learn this is nothing but, even if you are a beginner, dear sisters and brothers, you can learn this, inshallah. Even if you do not know anything about editing or something like that, inshallah you will be able to learn the editing, inshallah, because the Canva offers you hundreds and millions of templates with which you can easily design the designs. Okay, inshallah, you can easily create the designs, inshallah. One important thing is that you don't need to be a professional here, dear sisters and brothers. You just don't need to be a professional to create your own designs. All you need is a platform that allows you to create your designs in the minutes. Okay, so Canva is only one platform that is best for the graphic designing, photo editing, and also the video editing. So alhamdulillah, even if you're a beginner, even if you're a marketing professional, even if you're an entrepreneur, even if you're an educator, even if you are a teacher or a student, if you're a teacher or a student, dear sisters and brothers, you can stand out. Remember, if you're a student, you can stand out with your presentations that you're creating for your class presentation or something like that. Even if you're a teacher, you can just create an excellent content. I, being a tutor, I'm telling you this, whenever I take the tutoring for the students from various countries, what I do is I project the content very beautifully in the form of presentations, and that skill of presenting the content is taught in this course, inshallah. So you have to stay with me for next 13 days to grasp this content, inshallah ta'ala. And also, this is for the content creators. Probably we have many content creators here. Probably we have the content creators for various social media platforms like Instagrammers. We have Instagrammers here. We have Facebooks. We have the people with the Facebook pages with high following and more, right? So alhamdulillah, this course will prove you best, inshallah ta'ala, will be proven best for you all, inshallah ta'ala. And also, who can learn this? If you're thinking of freelancing through this skill, inshallah, this skill is for you, this course is for you. And whoever is very creative in themselves, inshallah, you will be able to get through this course very well, inshallah ta'ala. The main tool for this is creativity, dear sisters and brothers. And even if you do not think that I am very creative, do not worry, you will inshallah learn to stand out with your designs. Okay, so one important thing, why should I learn the skill? Can you all tell me, why should you learn the skill? First thing that I mentioned here is self-expression and creativity. We have creativity within ourselves, right? We have creativity within ourselves. For example, we have interior designers here. We have some people who are creative within themselves. We have so many people who want to express their thoughts in the form of the images, right? They want to express their thoughts in the form of the flyers, in the form of the videos. Yes, so self-expression, to showcase your creativity in the form of the flyers, this skill will be helpful. And also for the content creation for social media sites, YouTube channel, if you are with the YouTube channel, or you are with the Facebook or with the Instagram, this course will be proven best for you, inshallah ta'ala. So for content creation, dear sisters and brothers, if you have a YouTube channels, you will be able to create your own intro, you'll be able to create your own outro, you'll be able to create your own logos, inshallah ta'ala. You will be able to create your own social icon videos for your channel, inshallah. So then for your personal projects, this will be very helpful. Even if you're a student, even if you are a teacher, this will be very helpful for you for your own personal projects. And also for brand building, if you are into any of the businesses, if you are into the business, if you are into any of the business, if you're an entrepreneur, this will be very helpful for you, inshallah ta'ala. This next thing is professional purposes, inshallah, this will be helpful for you in that field as well. For the career opportunities, you can do freelancing after this course. Take it from me, you can start off with the freelancing after this course, inshallah. We have the students who have started up the freelancing, and alhamdulillah, they are doing well in this, alhamdulillah. So you can do, and this is the last thing that I've mentioned here. It is above all, right? It's about all that you can use this skill for dawah purposes. Yes, dear sisters and brothers, do you not see the content, the dawah content that is being posted here and there? Do you not see that? Isn't it all graphically designed? Isn't it all in the form of the flyers, in the form of the pamphlets, in the form of the images, in the form of the videos, right? What are we doing when we refer to the dawah works? What do I refer to is, you can just impart the knowledge to the world, right? You can just make it a sadqa jariyah for yourself. You can just make this skill, this course, as an ilm nafiya for you. Do you know what is ilm nafiya? A knowledge that is of benefit, right? Inshallah, you can make this knowledge as an ilm nafiya for you. You know, we usually ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to grant us the ilm nafiya. Allahumma inna nas'aluka ilman nafiya. Oh Allah, grant us the knowledge that is of benefit. Inshallah, this knowledge would be proven beneficial for you all. When will it be proven beneficial for you all? When you're going to use this for the sake of Allah, right? Inshallah ta'ala. So whenever I tell my students, I usually tell them to use this skill for the sake of Allah as well. For example, whenever they are taking up the projects for their clients, I tell them at least 5 minutes per day, make a flyer make a Quranic pamphlet or make a Quranic poster, so that the work that you are doing for the dunya, you also have to do a small amount of work that would be rewarding for your akhirah, right? Inshallah ta'ala. So this skill will be helpful for you, dear sisters and brothers, as a sadqa jariyah, inshallah. So why do we say this? Why do we say this? Because we as a Muslim and a Muslimah, we all have a greater purpose to live on, right? We all have a greatest purpose to live on. We are not just here just we are just here to seek the pleasure of Allah, right? Dear sisters and brothers, come on, type in. Let's keep an interactive session, inshallah. We are here to seek pleasure of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, right? Anything and everything, we want to please Allah through anything that we are doing, right? So I want you all to learn this skill with the right intention, inshallah. What would be the intention that you're going to do, dear sisters and brothers? You all have to intend these things. Come on, please read out whatever is mentioned here. What are the intention that you're going to make? You're going to make the intention that you're going to educate yourself or educate the ummah through this. You're going to use this skill or use this talent for the sake of Allah, inshallah. Or you're going to earn rizq halal. You're going to earn rizq halal through this by making it a career. Okay? Inshallah ta'ala. So, dear sisters and brothers, these are the three intentions that you have to make, because by rectifying your intentions, you actually are earning rewards through this course, inshallah ta'ala. So through this course, you will be able to earn rewards by just rectifying your intentions. So I want you all to learn this with the right intentions. We actually yearn to please Allah, right? We all actually yearn to please Allah. So alhamdulillah, I want you all to rectify your intentions. These are the three intentions that I want you all to make now, so that you can just educate yourself or educate the ummah through this. You can create the flyers for the sake of Allah. Even if you can create the flyers, or you can create the projects to earn rizq halal, inshallah ta'ala. To earn a livelihood is also a good deed, right? Yes, sisters and brothers, to earn a livelihood is also a good and rewarding thing, right? So with this course, you also can make it as a career, inshallah ta'ala. So rectify your intentions. These are the three intentions that you all have to make, inshallah ta'ala, so that you can gain the rewards through this course, inshallah ta'ala. Through this course, whenever you're going to learn through this course, the 45 minutes that you're spending here, inshallah, may Allah make it as a source of reward for us all, inshallah, because just by rectifying intentions, we can gain lots and lots of rewards. So alhamdulillah, we actually yearn to please Allah, right? So in our deeds and our actions, we want to just rectify intentions and make this as a source of reward for us, inshallah. So let's begin this journey. Let's just begin this journey of being more productive with our smartphones with the name of Allah, so that Allah puts barakah in our time, barakah in our efforts, inshallah ta'ala. So come on, dear sisters and brothers, recite and repeat Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Anything that begins with the name of Allah has barakah in it, right? Yes, alhamdulillah. Barakallahu feek. So we are going to start off, inshallah, with the name of Allah and with the help of Almighty Allah. Do you all know I just recited a few of the du'as at the beginning, right? So those were the du'as like Allahumma anfa'na bima 'allamtana wa 'allimna ma yanfa'una wa zidna ilma. Oh Allah, make this knowledge as a beneficial knowledge for us, right? So and also I recited a few more du'as there. If you have time, please listen to it in the next class, and also read its translation every day, inshallah ta'ala. So alhamdulillah. So from today, we are going to be more productive with our smartphones or our PCs or our laptops or whatever smart devices we have in our hand. We are going to start to be more productive Muslim or a Muslimah from now on, dear sisters and brothers. We might be wasting our time on the stuffs like watching dramas, watching the Bollywood movies, watching the Instagram feed. Instead of wasting your time, dear sisters and brothers, from now on, please start creating your content, inshallah, because you will get a application, or you will get a software that is very excellent, inshallah. From now on, you can create stunning stuffs from it, inshallah. So from now on, please intend to be more productive with your time. Do not waste your time from now on, inshallah. This is not an ordinary skill that you're learning, but it is a high in demand skill that you're learning from today, inshallah ta'ala. So I want you all to be very productive from now on. And remember, this skill will take you to the places that you have never imagined. Dear sisters and brothers, I had started my journey around 7 to 8 years ago, and alhamdulillah, it has taken me to various places. I have met so many content creators as well, alhamdulillah. Dear sisters and brothers, this will, inshallah, with the right intention, start off, dear sisters and brothers. Inshallah, Allah will put barakah in your efforts, time, and more, inshallah. So from now on, we are going to begin. We are going to start to be more productive with the smartphones, the cell phones, the PCs, whatever we are going to have, inshallah. You are going to take first step in learning this new skill, inshallah. Wasting time is easy, remember, but using the time to be more productive, to create content for your clients, for yourself, or for dawah purposes is an excellent thing, inshallah ta'ala. So this is the skill that you are going to start with, inshallah. Again, I welcome you all on board, inshallah. Let's all kickstart, let's all begin on this day one of this Canva Mastery course. First of all, I just like to give you all a brief course details. Probably you all had seen this in the course flyer. This is a 13-day course, including the first day. Today is the first day, inshallah. And then every day the class starts exactly and sharp at 3:30. I want you all to be present at exactly 3:30 p.m., inshallah. So it is continuously for 13 days and no breaks in between, dear sisters and brothers. Probably you might be asking if you have a break on Sunday. No, we do not have any break on Sunday. Inshallah, bi'iznillahi ta'ala, we will be taking this class for next 13 days in a row, okay? Inshallah, if there is no hurdles in it, inshallah, we are going to have it for next 13 days in a row, okay? And then you're going to begin from a very low level, I mean from the scratch to the advanced level, inshallah. From starting to create the content from the templates to creating the brand content, inshallah, we'll cover it all, okay? And recordings will be provided. Do not worry if you have missed any class, if you have missed half part of the class, full part of the class, or just small part of the class or anything, you will be able to access the recordings of this class, dear sisters and brothers, inshallah ta'ala. So where will the recording be available? It will be available on this site, okay? This is the site. You can just take a screenshot, or inshallah I will send the recording link every day after the class, inshallah. So on this link you will be able to access the recordings, class recordings, inshallah ta'ala. So this is a brief course details, and also what will you learn? It is all being posted up in the flyer. We have a round of a list of 16 different designs that you will be able to create through this course, inshallah. Every day you will be covering one or two of it, inshallah, in every classes, okay? Inshallah ta'ala. So what is the course requirement? This was the frequently asked question, dear sisters and brothers. What are the course requirements? Most of you asked that I have a smartphone, I have an iPhone, I have an iPad, I have a tablet, I have a laptop. What should I use? What should you use? It is up to you. It is up to you. It's totally up to you, because Canva is available in smartphones, it is available in tablets, it is available in iPad, it is available in iPhone, it is available in laptop, it is available in PC also, okay? So you do not worry, inshallah, whichever thing that you want, you can just carry it up and you can just start off, inshallah. So dear sisters and brothers, the first thing I want you all to know is this is the software that you're going to learn with, okay? I want you all to visit the Google Play Store if you are with the Android version. If you are with the iPhone, I want you all to visit the App Store. Come on, dear sisters and brothers, open up the App Store or the Google Play Store, or if you are with the laptop, I want you all to just type in www.canva.com. Come on. Yes, kindly type yes if you are going to, if you are following me. Okay. Probably you all have just got this symbol of the application, alhamdulillah. Okay, so this is the software that we are going to use. Why we are going to use this? Just want to provide you a brief explanation. Why are we going to use this software to graphically design? We could have chosen the Adobe Premiere Pro. We could have used the Adobe Photoshop, use the Adobe Photoshop or something like that. Why are we just going to use the Canva? Because this is very user friendly, dear sisters and brothers. In this Canva software is available on smartphones, this is available on PCs, this is available on everything. Okay, you won't find Adobe Photoshop on the smartphones, and it won't be very easy to use on the smartphones. Okay, so this Canva software is user friendly. Okay, it is very excellently designed so that it is available in all of the devices. Okay, so it is an ideal design tool, dear sisters and brothers. It's very user friendly. You have millions of templates. Even if you are beginner, you will be able to get access to the million of templates, inshallah. And it has library of graphics. I mean, it has so many elements that you can just put up on the designs. For example, if you want to search for a cell phone, you will find it all inside the elements or the graphics in the Canva. And you also will be able to access hundreds of fonts in this, and it's accessible on all the PCs as well as mobile phone. Okay, in this course, dear sisters and brothers, you will be given the pro version of the software Canva Pro, that we call as Canva Pro. Dear sisters and brothers, have you all logged in into the Canva application? Please type yes if you all have logged in inside. Yes or no? That would be a work. I'll just give you 5 minutes, inshallah, after this, so that you will all log in. Okay, no problem. I'll just give you 5 to 6 minutes after this, inshallah. We will log in together. Okay. First of all, I just like to compare between the free version and the pro version of the software that we will all get. Okay. If you have a free version of the Canva, dear sisters and brothers, you will just get 250, 100. Okay. Okay. Only this much, 250K, what we say. Only these many free templates you will get if you are with the free version. But if you are with the Canva Pro version, you will be having so many premium features, like you will be having the access to the Magic Studio with artificial intelligence in it, with AI version in it. Okay, so we will all deal with it, inshallah, in upcoming sessions. For now, just remember what is the difference between a free version of Canva and what is the difference between a pro version of Canva as well as a free version of Canva. These are the features that are provided in the pro version of Canva, which are not available in the free version. Okay, so the pro version of Canva has 71 million free photos, 4.5 million free graphic elements, 2.5 million free videos, 3,000 free fonts, 1000 GB cloud storage. Okay, you will be able to access 1000 GB of cloud storage, whereas you in the free version of the Canva, you just have 5 GB of cloud storage, and you just have something around 1000 fonts. Yes, you just have 1000 fonts, and here in the free videos, you just have around hundreds of 1700. Yes, only 1700 free videos, and these are very less. Even the free photos are very less in the free version of Canvas. Okay, why am I telling you all this is because if you are into the personal projects, dear sisters and brothers, if you are just creating the personal projects for yourself, you can go with the free version of Canva. Okay, free version of Canva is okay for personal projects. But if you are into the business field, or if you are working for a client, if you are working for someone, you need to have the pro version of Canva. And inshallah, in this course, you will all be provided with the pro version of Canva, with an access to all these features and more features. Apart from this, you will be able to access the Magic Studio, in which you have all the AI tools. Okay, inshallah ta'ala. So today, inshallah, we will start this course with a free version, okay? So that you will just move to the pro version in tomorrow's class, and you just can compare between free and pro version, inshallah. So dear sisters and brothers, our lesson for today is we are just going to have an intro. We are just had an intro about all of the graphic designing and more, and we are just going to log in into the Canva software. I'm just going to help you out with the installation now, inshallah. Come on, dear sisters and brothers, visit your Google Play Store and download the Canva application. I want you all to just let me know whether you all have installed this Canva application in your devices, whether it be a Android device, whether it be an iPhone or an iPad or a PC or a laptop. Come on. Yes? Yes. If you are preferring to use the laptops, that is well and good. Okay. If you do not have an access to laptops or the PCs, then you can just go with the smartphone. Okay. Okay, if you are with a laptop, what you have to do is you just have to open your Google Chrome, or you open your browser and just type there. You just have to type www.canva.com. See here, dear sisters and brothers, I have mentioned for the laptop users or the PC users, you just have to type www.canva.com on your web browser. Fine? Okay, following me? Come on. Now, the first page that appears after you type in or after you download is the login page. Okay, Alhamdulillah. Okay, whenever you log in now, dear sisters and brothers, you can continue with your Google ID, with any email, with an email ID, or with an Apple ID, or you can continue with a Facebook ID. Whichever ID you are going to continue, please note the URL, please note the email ID. Okay, now it says, come on, dear sisters and brothers, I want you all to note the email ID now. From whichever email you're going to open this account, open this Canva account, note it somewhere and now post it on my WhatsApp. Okay, please post it on my WhatsApp. Come on, this is a homework for you all. Once you have just logged in into it, you have to note your email ID from which you had logged in. Please do not mistake this email ID. This is very important. Okay. Yes, the email ID, you have to drop it on my WhatsApp. This is the WhatsApp, the same WhatsApp number that you had used for the registration of this course. I want you all to just drop in your email ID so that I can give you the access to the pro team. Okay. From tomorrow, you will get the access, inshallah. Okay. Dear sisters and brothers, are you all following me? Yes. Hope you all have logged in into the Canva. After logging into the Canva, just note the email ID with which you had logged in. Okay. You should just drop the email ID on my WhatsApp. Okay. The number is mentioned here. The same number you had used for the registration. Okay. 733829485. Alhamdulillah. This would be a homework for today. Okay. If you're not able to log in properly or something like that, if you want to log in after the class or something, then you can do it after the class itself. But by tonight, I need to get your email IDs, inshallah. Everyone, type yes if you all have understood what is the task or the homework for today. Yes, alhamdulillah, barakallahu fiki. This is for you all, dear sisters and brothers, just to give you all the access to the Canva Pro. I just need your email IDs. Okay, this is just for that purpose. Okay, okay, alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah, I have received 4 to 5 email IDs. Barakallahu fiki. Yes, alhamdulillah. Okay, inshallah, by tomorrow, you will all be able to get the access to the Canva Pro, inshallah. I'm in contact with a team named as Grow Clubs. I'll just get an access to the educational Canva from them. They actually have created a team of people. Okay, they actually paid for the Canva with the teams. Okay, they purchase it for the teams and then they add in the members by collecting the amount from them. Okay, alhamdulillah. So inshallah, by tomorrow, dear sisters and brothers, you will all be able to get an access to the pro version of Canva. Okay. Inshallah. So this would be a homework. If you just didn't do it now, you can do it after the class. Okay. So inshallah, again, I'm telling you, this is the difference between Canva free version and pro version. In the pro version, you will have the access to so many things. Okay. Okay, if you have more requirements, like if you're going to create the content for the clients or something like that, then you need a Canva Pro. Okay, because in this course you will be able to learn to design like a pro with the Canva Pro, inshallah. Okay, you might ask, till how many months or how many years will I get this access to? It depends, your sisters and brothers. Minimum is at least for 3 to 4 months you will have a free access to the Canva, and also actually this is an agreement with them for 1 year. Okay, but we do not know whether they actually give it for 1 year or not. So you will inshallah you will be able to enjoy this for at least more than 4 to 5 months, inshallah. Okay, inshallah ta'ala. Okay, if you have any fluctuations in between to access this pro version, then inshallah I'll help you out throughout. Okay, this actually costs 3,999 per year, and alhamdulillah, this pro version will be provided for you with this course for free of cost, inshallah ta'ala. Okay, alhamdulillah, I'm getting messages. Barakallahu fiki. Alhamdulillah, I've got all your email IDs. Barakallah, alhamdulillah. So moving ahead, we are going to, what would be our lesson for today? We actually will take for next 10 minutes, inshallah. We'll just overview our homepage on both the PCs and smartphones. And also I'll just give it a quick overview on the homepage of the Canva for today, okay? So that in tomorrow's session, we'll actually start with designing in tomorrow's class, okay? So we'll just give an overview for the homepage. And if time permits, I can just take the editor page also, okay? I'll just try to give the, overview on the smartphone or for the laptops or for the tablets. With me, I have a tablet with me. Okay, I have an Android tablet with me, so the screens might differ. Okay, the user interface will differ for each and every usage, but do not worry even a bit. Okay, because I'm going to show you both the smartphone views, both the laptop views, as well as the tablet view. Okay, the view that I'm going to show you now, with the screen that I'm going to share with you now, will be of a tablet, Android tablet. This will be same for the iPad users. This will be same for the PC users also, laptop users or the PC users. The smartphone users will have a somewhat small, compacted thing that I'll show you with this images as well. Okay, do not worry, inshallah ta'ala. You all will be able to grasp through this. One important thing, dear sisters and brothers, you all have to have two devices. You all must have two devices to begin with. One device you need to keep to listen to the class, or you're going to see what I'm doing in the class, and you all have to have two devices. One device is for listening or seeing the content that is being done on the screen, and then the second device is for practicing live. Okay, second device is in which you are going to open the Canva application and you're going to practice after me. Okay, this is a skill that you're learning, dear sisters and brothers. It is not the bookish knowledge. Remember, take it from me, it is not the bookish knowledge. It is skill that you're learning. It needs continuous practice. You have to practice in the class, you have to practice after the class, you have to practice anytime whenever you're free, because this is a skill, and you will develop professionalism only when you practice. Okay, please, dear sisters and brothers, for the next 13 days, give some amount of your time so that you can just get most out of this course, inshallah ta'ala. Okay, so I want you all, if you do not have two separate devices, I would just want you all to take a book and you can write the key points, and after the class you will be provided with recordings. You can just practice with the recordings as well. Okay, so alhamdulillah, dear sisters and brothers, let's all begin with. So one important thing that I already told you, you have to practice to attain the perfection, because skills needs practice. It just does not need studying. Okay, you don't have to study the skill. Please, dear sisters and brothers, you don't have to study the skill. It is not a bookish knowledge that I'm giving you. It is a skill that needs practice, lots of practice. Okay, inshallah ta'ala. How much you practice, the amount of practice that you're going to do, inshallah, with the amount of practice, your level of professionalism will increase. Okay, inshallah ta'ala. You can be more professional with your content when you are practicing with me, after me, and after the class, or inshallah in the class. Okay, come on, dear sisters and brothers, I'm just gonna quickly share my screen and I'll show you the home page of Canva now. Okay, just the home page, and then inshallah in tomorrow's session we are going to see the editor page. Okay, bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. If anyone has switched on their videos, please switch it off, inshallah. Please switch off. Share my screen. Okay, this is my tab version of the Canva application. So we have two ways of accessing. I already told you, one is a laptop and another is the Canva application. Okay, first of all, let me show you what is the Canva application. So this is your Canva application, dear sisters and brothers. Yes, hope you all know it, right? By now, hope you all in your smart devices, or if you are with a laptop, you just can open your Chrome browser. Okay, and you just have to type in www.canva.com. Yes, okay, so alhamdulillah. Now we'll just start off with the this version, Canva version. Okay, this will be the Canva software, and this would be the home page of the Canva. It's heavily raining here. Probably there is some what we say network issues, so just bear with me today, inshallah. Okay, so this is the home page of the Canva. Fine. So what do you have here? Yes, sisters and brothers, what do you all have here? Is it the same with you all? The smartphone users have a little bit changes on the screen, right? Yes, you have a little bit changes on the screen. Just bear with me for 5 minutes, inshallah. We'll just cover it up with the laptop or the PC or the Android, and inshallah, some people who are using the smartphones and using the Canva application, somewhat you'll be having the difference with it. Okay, do not worry, inshallah. I'll show the screenshots of that, and also I'll explain to you with that. Okay, do not worry. So we have a top bar here, dear sisters and brothers. In the top bar, you have something like this. Okay, You have something like this, the Canva here mentioned here, and there is a settings bar here, and there is some notification here, and there is some create design here, and there is a logo here, fine. And there's a three horizontal button here, three with a three horizontal symbol, and this is the login ID, or with which you have logged in. And this is the free version of Canva. Whenever you open this, the free version, they'll ask you to try the Canva Pro, correct? Try the Canva Pro, and this they'll ask you what will you design, and this is a resize button, okay? Resize, or this custom size, what we say, okay? This is present on every device. Hope you all have seen this, okay? This is a custom size, whichever size you want to give for your template, over here you can give it, okay? This is upload button. You can upload your designs to the Canva, and this is for you. This is in which you will get the templates. So if you want to create a social media template, you can just click here. If you want to create the videos, you can click here. If you want to create the presentations, you can click here. If you want to take the printouts, you can click here. Take it from media sisters and brothers. Canva even offers you the printouts for the various designs. For example, if you created the business cards and you want to deliver it to your client, you can just give them the address. You just can create the design and give them the address. They will deliver to your client, okay? So this is such an extremely excellent software. Then you have the documents for the teachers, or the students, whiteboards for the teachers, web browser. Even you can create websites through this. For now we are not going to touch this concept, okay? So alhamdulillah, these are the things that are available in the Canva. And your sisters and brothers, Canva is famous for its templates. Do you all know that? It is famous for its templates. Why is it famous for? For example, if you want to create a social media, what we say, design or post, just click on it and see how many templates it will offer you. And with that templates, you just can create an excellent design. So I tell everyone that even if you are a beginner, you can just create the content with this Canva, application. For example, see here on the left side, dear sisters and brothers, there are a few options, okay? One is this is the home page, the Canva. Whenever you click on the Canva, this is the home page that you get. This is the home button that is here. Then second is Magic Studio. Magic Studio, I already told you, in the Magic Studio you all will find the artificial intelligence, the content with artificial intelligence. For example, you know what, if you want to remove, if you have an image, see here, dear sisters and brothers, just give an example for artificial intelligence that is available on the Canva Pro, okay? For example, if you have an image with the text written on it, and you have a flyer, and you just want to put it on the screen, what you do is, if you want to just remove this text from the image, and if you just want to have that image, you can just magically grab the text and separate the text and the image from it, okay? It's such an excellent artificial intelligence AI feature you will have in this Canva, okay? Inshallah ta'ala, we will cover it all, inshallah, in the next few classes, okay? So bear it from me, bear for a little, inshallah. You must have lots of sabr to move till that position, inshallah, to grasp all of the content that is here in the Canva, fine? So here on the left side options, you have home, then you have something called projects. In the projects, you will have all of the projects that you have created, okay? You'll be having all of the projects that you have created. And then you have something called templates. Templates is nothing but you will be able to access, okay? You will be able to access whatever is on the Canva, and you just have to edit the content that is already being put out in the form of the templates, okay? So these are the recent designs that you all have created, okay? These are the designs that my students have created. I just took the access from them. These are the student designs, okay? These are all the student designs. So these are the projects that they had taken up for the final project, alhamdulillah. See here, these are the designs that are available in the projects format, okay? In the projects. And then in the templates, dear sisters and brothers, this is an excellent button in the Canva. You just have to click on this templates and see whichever you want. For example, you want a template for a wedding, okay? Wedding invitation. So what I'll do is I'll just type in here, or I just can press it here. I just clicked on this wedding button, okay? So now you will get wedding templates. Just see here, dear sisters and brothers. You will be having, I told you all, million of template in Canva. You just can put it there, you just can click on it, and you just have to change the content, that's all. For example, if you have a wedding coming up in your family or friends, if you just like any of the wedding content that is here, you just have to click on that content, you just have to change the matter, that's all. So this is excellent tool for the beginner. Again and again I say it, okay? So you just have to change the content, that's all. It's already designed. So this is called as template, okay? Now when I tell you you're going to design like a pro, I do not want you all to make use of the templates. Okay, inshallah, we'll also learn to use the templates as well, but we are going to try to learn to create from the scratch, inshallah. Okay, dear sisters and brothers, inshallah. Come on, type inshallah. Let's keep it interactive. Probably you all are engulfed in it, right? Probably you are surfing what is in the software, right, dear sisters and brothers? Okay, alhamdulillah, barakallahu fiki. So here, yes, sisters and brothers, see here, you have good content with pro mentioned in it, right? There is something called as pro mentioned on it. When you have such content with a pro mentioned in it, you won't be able to access that. Okay, you won't be able to access that. But whenever you, inshallah, after today, whenever from tomorrow's session, whenever you're going to click on it, inshallah, you will be able to access that for free. Okay, from tomorrow's session. Okay, inshallah. I'll let you know the procedure through which you can just enter into the team of the professionals. Okay, the pro teams or the premium team of the Canva. So dear sisters and brothers, see here, the excellent content that is here is all having a label called as pro. Okay, you all have to pay for this to just get an access. So what we are going to do is we are just going to provide it with the course, inshallah. So these are the templates that I just wanted to show you all. You know, you also have so many Islamic contents here, dear sisters and brothers. For example, you want to create a business flyer, you have it all here, dear sisters and brothers. For example, you want to create a marketing flyer, you want to create anything, you just have it all. For example, I'll just write Islamic, or if you want, you can just create the banner for the various supermarkets or the fashion sale flyer. Just type in and see how many templates you have it in the Canva. Okay, this is just for the day one that I'm showing you the templates. From tomorrow on, you're going to first thing what you're going to do is you're going to start from the scratch. See here, dear sisters and brothers, you can just create a stunning visuals with this, right? Come on, go through this templates that you're having here. Such a stunning, right? MashaAllah, these are all the graphically designed by the graphic designers. They have designed it and put it on the Canva, and they have provided it. Some of it are provided for free. These are the free templates. Some of it are provided for free, and some of it are provided for the pro version. And actually the best of it are provided for the pro version. Usually they actually provide the best out of the designs for the pro versions. Okay, so inshallah, from tomorrow on, you will be able to access the pro things in this as well. Okay. So these were the templates. This were just the templates. Whatever you want, dear sisters and brothers, whatever topic you want. For example, you want a marketing flyer, you want a presentation flyer, you just have to type in here, or you just have to type it inside the templates, or wherever you just click on, you will be able to access all of the templates, inshallah, from tomorrow. And today, inshallah, you just can go through each and every free tools that are available there. Okay. You just have to change the matters. This is just about the templates that I'm referring to. But dear sisters and brothers, you do not have to use the templates, all of it. All of the course is not about templates. It's about the starting from the scratch. And I already told you, you're going to graphically design content, inshallah. So these are the three options that we have just seen from the left option, left side options. So the third option is the brand. Okay, this brand is nothing but if you are going to work within a company and you are going to have the you're going to have the brand assets, or if you are going to have the same logo throughout your flyers, or same color combinations, or color topology, color theory for all of your designs, then you can just have this brand templates. Okay, you will be given the brand kit by the Canva. So this is not for you. It is just for the companies who have the peoples with them. Okay, you have various brand templates and brand kits. Okay, you won't be able to access because it is for the teams. Okay, so if you want to create a team and you want to have the team of people, even that feature is available in Canva. Okay, even that feature is available in Canva, but in Canva costs it so high to create a key team. Okay, so then if you want to access the Canva Pro application, then these are the options that we have. They actually give you these many assets, these many here, the resize button, the magic background remover, the animations and more, brand kits, content planners, 1 TB storage is all given for the pro version of the Canva. But I do not want you all to go press this or go into this, because inshallah you will be provided with the pro version in tomorrow's class. Okay, so this was about the left side options. Okay, so alhamdulillah. Now, dear sisters and brothers, let me just see what is on the right side on the top button when you just click here. So here, dear sisters and brothers, you have some teams. Okay, you have some teams, you will be given access to the teams. And tomorrow's and after tomorrow, in tomorrow's class, what you all have to do is just have to click on your profile button, and you will just have to switch the team. Okay, switch the team, and inshallah I'll tell you after the class what you are going to exactly do there. Okay, so this is all the things that you all have, and whenever you click on the button known as the home button, you will be able to access everything that is on the home screen. Okay, so this is the home screen for you. Fine, dear sisters and brothers. Now, how to create the design? You just have to click on the create design. Okay, the class timing is 3:30 till 4:30. Okay, till 4:30. Sometimes it might be 5 minutes more, or 5 to 10 minutes more, just based on the topics that we are having. Okay, so for now, inshallah, I'll just end the session within 5 to 10 minutes. Inshallah, I'll just cover up how to create the design. Okay, in tomorrow's class, we are going to cover up how we are going to use the Canva editor. Okay, so again, take it from me. This is an amazing graphic designing tool, dear sisters and brothers. You can take your designs to another level with this software, inshallah. So how to create how to start to create a design? Click on create a design. Come on, dear sisters and brothers, start your first project, inshallah. Click on the create design. Are you all doing along? Yes, type yes, bismillah. You just all have to click on the create design. Yes, in the create design, you have so many options, dear sisters and brothers. See here. Okay, I just want to give a brief intro about this one. Okay, see, whenever you are going to create a design, you actually have a thing in mind. Okay, you will be having a mind map. Okay, you will be having a mind map. For example, I want to create a content for the I want to make a flyer for a supermarket. Okay, so what I should do is I should see which flyer should I create. If I want to create a marketing flyer or something like that, Canva will offer its custom size for flyer. How much size is there? Okay, how much size it should be. Okay, this is the way you can just get an access. Okay, if you want to create a wallpaper for your phone, then this one is already available. If you want to create a logo, this is a custom size that Canva has to provide you all. Okay, you do not have to worry what size should I prefer, what size should I take. So you do not have to worry. Okay, so for a normal graphic designer, whoever is here, you can just go through this one and take your own take already given designing sizes that are mentioned here. Okay, so alhamdulillah, so we can start with whichever options that are here, or dear sisters and brothers, for example, if you have a client that asks you to create a content. Okay, a client is asking you to create a content for a banner. Okay, he wants to have a banner, and he's telling you that I want the design with the height of 10 centimeters, 10 feet, and with a width of 20 feet. So what should you do? Yes, sisters and brothers, there is a bar, there is this one option known as this one. Just see, have you all found it out with the smartphones or with the PCs or the laptops, whichever? This option. See here, I've just mentioned in this one. You have an option known as this one, and when you click on this, this is called as a custom size. Okay, and this you are going to assign your own size. Fine. Okay. For example, if you want to create a banner, I told you already, a client is telling me to create a banner with so and so feet or something like that. Okay, if you have 3 parameters here. One is an inch, one is a millimeter, one is a centimeter. You have to convert the feet into inches. For example, if your client has given the measurements in the feet, then please convert that in inches. Just Google it up and convert it into the inches, and then mention it in the inches, and then your flyer, what we say, the size will be ready. Okay. Inshallah, if you're not understanding this, do not worry. You will understand it all in tomorrow's class, or inshallah in upcoming sessions. Okay, this is just for this first class. This is just a beginner level things that you all have to know, because every design has its own dimension, right? The smartphone that you're holding, this smartphone, you're holding it in the landscape pattern, right, dear sisters and brothers? If you are with the smartphone, you should hold it in the landscape pattern. If you are with the smartphones, if I've just turn over the screen, then you need to hold it in this portrait view. Okay, I'll just show you with the smartphone way of doing things. Just a moment, give me a minute. So the laptops and the smartphones that you're holding in the landscape pattern, they have their own sizes, right? They have their own dimensions that we call, right, dear sisters and brothers? So you can just assign your various custom sizes to your content. Okay, so inshallah, if you just do not want to use your own sizes, you can make use of the sizes that are given here. Fine. the video size, the flyer size, the invitation size, the phone wallpaper, the logos, and more. Everything is mentioned here. Okay, Alhamdulillah. So for now, I'll just open one of it and I'll show you what will appear after this. In tomorrow's session, we are going to start with something called as logo designing. So I'll just pick up a logo here. Okay, I'll pick up a logo designing here. So this would be the screen, even if you're with a PC, the laptop, or what we say iPads or the smartphones, you will get this design. You will get this, what we say, you will get this screen, and this screen, dear sisters and brothers, this is a step for your creating the wonders, inshallah ta'ala. This is the, what we say, such a user-friendly screen that you will all have, inshallah ta'ala. So this is a screen in which you all will be able to create wonders, okay, inshallah ta'ala. You can create magic here, okay. So we will discuss this screen in tomorrow's session, okay, dear sisters and brothers. Inshallah, we are almost time for the class. Alhamdulillah, we have dealt with so many concepts in today's class, alhamdulillah. So with the spirit of learning more, with the spirit of learning the skill for the sake of Allah, I want you all to be ready, inshallah, for tomorrow's session with a high spirit, inshallah. Come on, dear sisters and brothers, let's sign off. And I just want you all to just quickly recap whatever we had dealt. I'll just stop sharing the screen, and the smartphone view is left out probably. I'll just show you one image, one what we say, one screenshot of the smartphone view, how the view of the Canva will appear on the smartphones, inshallah. Just bear with me for next 2 minutes, inshallah. The same view on the laptops will be on the smartphones, and the smartphones will have just a bit compacted view. So this is our Canva homepage that we just dealt with now, and this is for the smartphones. This is for the smartphones, yes, sisters and brothers. I just took the screenshot before the class. So this is the same thing. The left panel, the search button, the same thing. It's just a compacted thing, and the create design that was here, it is here. That's all. The plus button, okay. The create design is being placed here, okay. Plus button, and you will have the custom design over there itself. Fine. Hope you all have understood this. Any doubts? Please let me know. Okay, do you have any doubts, dear sisters and brothers? This was a quick lesson recap that I had to give you all. So this is the smartphone view. If you want to just click on the left side, there's nothing but. Okay, alhamdulillah, barakallahu fiki, no doubts, barakallah. If you have any doubts, you can just ping me. I'll help you throughout. And remember, what is the homework for today's session? Yes, what is the homework for today's session? You have to send the email ID, right? Inshallah. Whoever has not sent the email IDs, please share with me. And please take care, dear sisters and brothers. You should not share the wrong email ID, okay? It will create a problem for me to get back again, okay? So please share the email ID. Check again if you have missed any spellings or something like that. Please try to create, try to send a perfect email ID. So jazakumullah khairan kaseera. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Take care of yourself, inshallah. Hoping forward to see you all in tomorrow's class. Okay, jazakumullah khairan kaseera. If you have any doubts, you can just ping me, dear sister Reshma. Okay, I cannot deal with this doubt now. Inshallah, I'm just signing off now. Okay, jazakumullah khairan kaseera, dear sisters and brothers. Take care of yourself, inshallah. Looking forward to see you all in tomorrow's session. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Jazakumullah khairan kaseera.